I guess you could say that my position is a CEO. I make all the products and I list them all and I do everything. I play competitive soccer and I like school and I like to read. I really like making skincare products. My business, Bunny Bath & Body, is made up of natural skincare products from face lotions and sugar scrubs to just body butters, and even like I have an eye treatment. And all the products are cruelty free and they're just natural skincare to so it's good for your skin. I have always really liked making skincare products, and I used to always just make them and give them away as gifts. And it's just like something I really like skincare, and it's just one of, I just, you know, some girls are really into makeup, and I'm just really into skincare. Right now, I'm not really sure what I want to do when I'm older, but I definitely think that making skincare would definitely be a very good career option for me because I really do enjoy it, and I think it'd be a lot of fun. I wanted to start my own business for a while. It just took me a while to actually get up the courage to start it, and I've had such support from everybody who's heard about it, and I think that you can't the worst that can happen is that maybe you don't sell a bunch of stuff, but really you're just going to get a whole bunch of good experience and you can make some money, and I think just totally go for it.